Okay, hey, what up, cut ups? Got me some curry food here. Um, got it from the authentic Jamaican Upper Yards. I know I just did a Jamaican video. The jerk chicken, I had the jerk chicken last time, but this time, guys, yeah, I just wanted me some good, a little bit closer. Okay, curry. So got some curry chicken here, and the cabbage is over here. This is the red beans and rice underneath. Looking so good. Ooh. Let me just taste it. I don't even know where to start. Ooh. I'm so hungry. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. This food right now is giving me life. Yeah. Giving me life, y'all. Damn. I mean, the place was crowded as usual. So good. It's always crowded up in there. Oh, it's spicy. So good. Wow. Damn, it's spicy. Oh, this is what I need, honey. This is what I need. I am happy to announce that my sister Kiki is back from the Dominican. She had her surgery. She's looking gorgeous, and she made it back home to Atlanta yesterday. She's doing good. We FaceTime today and talk to one another. You know, it's too bad that I can't talk to all my sisters and just have a sisterly relationship without it being shade or some form of, I don't know, it seemed like just like destruction. Or from people wanting to brag and rub things in your face and stuff like that and do all the extra stuff. I don't have time for it, honey. Ain't got all the time in the world. Just don't choose to deal with that. If it can't be raw and authentic, fuck it. I don't want it. Now with Kiki, I can say it's full, it's real, it's authentic. It's a full relationship. A full, normal sister relationship. We don't argue and stuff like that. We have our little, I think the last time we had an argument was like a couple months ago. It was so fucking minor. You know, got over it. That's what sisters do. Real sisters. You come, one go to the other one, or, you know, either way, that's how it should be. If you really genuinely love each other, it shouldn't be one-sided. No. It should be, you know, if one is trying to make up, the other one should be trying to listen. And it should go vice versa. The other one should be trying to make up, the other one should be trying to listen. I think that everything can come to a, then again, I could be wrong. Matter of fact, I truly think I am wrong. It can't always be good as you want it to be. Unfortunately, it takes two. It does take two. Cabbage is always so good. But yeah, guys, me and Kiki close. That's all that matters. You know, me and my sister Bernetta close. Never really talked about her too much. But that's my sister that live here in, well, she don't live here. She live in Sheboygan. She live in Wisconsin. Sheboygan, Wisconsin. And Renetta do her, okay? But me and her are actually stepsisters. My mother and her father are married. Same with Kiki. But I actually grew up with Kiki and Renetta. So that counts for a lot. A whole hell of a lot. We'd have been through shit together, you know. It's just more genuine. It's just more real. So I'm just going to stick with the relationships I have and make them work for me. Yeah, guys, let me know what y'all think about that. Sticking to relationships that work for you. I forgot who left a comment about getting some sage and burning it for my new place. I was listening to you. I Googled where to get the sage from. They said Walmart. So that's where I took myself today, y'all. And I got the sage with the citrus. I'm gonna go get it. Okay, and this is it right here. Hope y'all can see that. Sage and citrus. Got two of them. They smell really different. They smell really good. Really, really good. So, hope this shit work. But somebody else told me to, you know, burn some sage too. They had the oils and stuff like that at Walmart. I'm gonna get a little messy, y'all. Damn, what's that, the back? Damn. Well, shit on there, not too much. I'm hungry, y'all. It's good. I don't be hungry that much for shit. Shit. Oh, it's so good. So good. I'm hungry, y'all. Today. A little bit. A little bit. Messed my nails up and shit, y'all. The white part got brown on it and shit. Touching chemicals and shit. I should have been touching. Messed it up. Mama. You know what about those? Look how little and sharp that bone is. You gotta be careful eating Jamaican chicken. You will fuck yourself up if you're not careful. My jaw's stuffed like a chipmunk. Good. Take these off now. I'm at home now, right, y'all? Right. I'm not high. Okay. I'm high. Y'all guess if I'm high or not. Tell me. Y'all tell me. I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. If y'all right, I'm gonna tell you. Am I high, y'all? What you think? What you think? I think this good, good, good. Yum. Ooh, I ain't getting y'all none, huh? Damn, here, have some cabbage, y'all. Damn, here. Oh, that's cute. Mmm. Y'all funny. Mm. Damn, that's the bone, though. Damn. Look at that. You gonna fuck yourself up, like I said. Ooh. Honey, don't be too hungry. You'll mess yourself up. Mm. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna give y'all a bite. A big bite, then I'm gonna be through, y'all. I'm getting full. This may be so tender, be falling off the bone. Look. Look. Damn. Okay, y'all. Here y'all go. Hold on. Okay, there we go. Get a bite. Get it. Get it, get it. Get it. Okay. Mama. Mama. Mama, mama. I ain't playing no game. This so good. Damn. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna end it right here. Woo! Okay, y'all. Back it ups. See you next time.